girl Kigro back with another simple recipe for you and yours, and we are doing a simple spaghetti dish. So I am just cutting up some chicken breast into small pieces, and then I will wash it with some white vinegar. Peppers, scotch bonnet, onion, garlic, tomato, and scallions. I season the chicken with Maggi all-purpose and chicken, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and some spicy to the bone, even though this chicken was boneless. I put the spaghetti in some boiling water containing cooking oil and salt and left it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. I fried the chicken until it was cooked. Then I took it out of the pot, add some margarine, and added the vegetables and partially cooked them. Then I added the chicken and tomato sauce and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Put in the spaghetti along with the rest of the tomato sauce, and don't forget to rinse out the tin. Then I covered it for 3 minutes on medium heat. And there you have it. This dish is delicious, easy to make, and affordable, and I am sure you will love it, so give it a try and don't feel shy to put your own spin